Organizing your Salesforce contacts and keeping them stored in a CRM is a great way to manage them. However, instead of doing a manual copy and paste, take the help of Automate.io. If you don't know Automate.io, it is a simple, no-code workflow automation tool that connects your favorite web apps and automates your tedious manual work so you can spend the time working on the things that matter to you. To begin, visit this page, click on this use case box, and then click the Get Started button. You will see the Add Account screen. Here, you will connect your Microsoft Excel and Salesforce accounts to Automate.io. So let's go ahead and enter our account credentials. Automate.io never takes chances with your data. We always keep it secure with bank-level encryption. All right, our apps are connected. Let's build our automation, also called a bot. First, let's talk about Salesforce. It is our trigger app which starts our bot. This bot triggers every time there is a new lead in our Salesforce CRM. And by the way, you can change this trigger to contacts or opportunities or any other custom objects instead of leads, depending on your use case. Now let's move over to Microsoft Excel. It's the action app that performs our desired action. Here, we want to add the details of our Salesforce lead in a new row on our Excel spreadsheet. Now let's map our lead details by dragging and dropping these fields from Salesforce to Excel like this. We're almost done. Let's run a test to see if it works as expected. Now, come back to your Automate.io dashboard. Perfect! Let's check our Microsoft Excel. And there you go. Your bot will now run in the background and automatically add the details of your Salesforce leads as rows in Microsoft Excel. So if you'd like to try out this bot, click the link in the description to get started quickly. You can also check out all of the other Salesforce and Microsoft Excel integrations here. The link is below in the description. And remember, we're available 24/5 on our in-app chat, or you can email us directly at help@automate.io. And don't forget to subscribe to us.